How to transfer money from Binance to PayPal. So if you want to transfer your money from your Binance to your PayPal account, this video is for you. After you open the Binance app like this, now tap on this menu at the top left side. So from this option, scroll to down and go to this more services. So from the more services, now scroll to down and go to this withdraw fiat, this one. After you come to this option, now make sure you tap on this withdraw. So tap on this option now and select USD. So go and search for USD. After you select the USD like this one, so from there, if the USD is available, after you select the USD, so it will give you this option which says receipt method. So if you tap on this option now, if you select the currency you want to withdraw, so it will give you this receipt method. So if you tap on the bank like this now, it will activate this continue button for you. So from there, it will allow you to select the PayPal. After that, it will ask you to confirm the amount you want to withdraw and add in your PayPal withdrawal information and confirm the verification code. From there, the money will be sent into your PayPal account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.